all of this bloody noise. Can you hear it? Because what's going on out here is they're working on another van. Get them working. Let's have a walk around and see what's going on. I just did a little clip, mate.
I think I need glasses.
I just realised you're not even wearing any safety glasses. You nutter.
I need actual glasses so I can see.
I'll go get them. I just thought, well, I haven't done any videos yet about this, and I thought I might as well, because if people want my services, this is what they will be paying to expect. They'll be doing all the work, and then the welding bit I will do. Where did I put my safety goggles? They're around here somewhere.
On my face.
Oh, Kai's got them. Oh, I'll tell you what, I got one of these instead.
Oh, that'll do. Give that to him. He's got more.
And it's adjustable for the head. Yeah. So yeah, we're just going to patch this up. A little bit of welding. Right. Wouldn't have needed to do so much grinding if my welding machine wasn't knackered. So the problem with the welding machine is that there's no gas coming through. Well, it is. You get a surge of gas right at the beginning, and then no more gas. So welding, it's just the whole thing is just full of impurities. So Lee's just gone round and tidied it up. Still needs a little bit more work on it, but that's as good as it's going to get for now. A little bit of filler on there, a bit of paint.
Not too bad, is it? I'm happy with it. It's better than rust. Better than rot.
Decent.
Nice.
Solid. Happy days.
Happy days.
So if anyone wants me to come around and do some welding for them, all you got to do is buy me a new welding machine.
Yeah, buy me a welding machine.
Buy me a new welding machine, mate, and I'll come do it all for you.
What, to an extent?
I want MIG, TIG and stick. I want all of them. All in one, 3 in 1. Yeah.
Wire brush.
Wire brush? I think there's one over here. Isn't there?
Yeah, that'll be alright once that's all tidied up. Painted in. Not going to notice it, mate. And of course, where it's right on the sill as well, you're never going to see that. Not even going to stand out. That's going to look fine.
Couple of coats of stone chip. Should be alright.
Yeah.
Way better than it was.
Yeah. Yeah, let's not look too close.
Once it's down on the ground.
They're like, what? Why not? Get closer. Let's see your welding, mate. No, you can see my welding when I get a new welding machine. And to think I was going to get some alley wire and actually do some alley welding with the MIG.
Not that one.
Not that one. Not now. Definitely not.
I didn't even do that bit there, did I? Or did I? That's terrible. I don't know how much they got for it, but I got 50 quid.
You got 50 quid for welding someone's car.
I'm putting a patch on, yeah.
So I had to, I had a few little holes. So we just put, well, I got the welding machine sorted out roughly. Oh no, look, the gas has gone. I think it might have actually used all the gas now. That might be the end of that bottle. You know,
You forgot to mention that this wasn't you.
oh, yeah, that wasn't me. I'm not very good at this filming stuff, am I? I'm getting carried away. So basically what's happened is I welded the top bit up and then, well, tacked it on. And then we had a couple of little stitch welds at the bottom. And the welding machine was playing up and I was getting pissed off. So Lee went ahead and ground it all up. And then miraculously, somehow, I think it was this valve bit at the top here on the gas bottle that wasn't working properly. So I got that figured out and sorted that out, and I was able to do those little bits of patching up those holes. And I was like, there you go, Lee, let you carry on. And Lee's never welded. He's not a welder at all. And I thought he was only going to do a little patch. And he's gone ahead and destroyed it. Actually, no, I say that, but
He's made a caterpillar.
yeah, he's made a caterpillar. People shouldn't be ashamed of giving it a go. And that's what this is about, really, giving it a go. And there, right, see where my finger is, right here, right there, that was a massive hole. There was like a 7-8 mil gap there, which I filled up, and it doesn't look very pretty, but it's been done. And then we can grind it all back, and then once he's actually, you know, cleaned it up and put a bit of filler over there, you're never going to notice it. But underneath there, yeah, I mean, it does look bad. But once he's cleaned that up, right, I can have a look at it, and then I'll probably put another little weld over it, but it ain't going to take 2 minutes to do. But yeah, don't ever be ashamed to crack on and try it yourself and give it a go, because how else are you going to learn? It's the only way you're going to learn is by giving it a go. Yeah, 10 out of 10 for effort. 10 out of 10 for pigeon shit, that's for sure.
That's Pebble Dash, that is.
Yeah, well, it's practice, isn't it?
Artexing.
That's it. The only awkward bit now is the overhead grinding.
Oh my god, look.
Oh. You just... I'm going to swap that gas bottle over. I've got another one here anyway. 110 litre, mate. 110. Well, there you go. It's all right, doesn't it? I reckon once that's all a little bit of filler on there, a little bit of paint, should be good. So I didn't actually do an outro for this video. So the owner of the van, Lee, was well happy with the outer seal. The repair looks good, he's happy with it. So he's going to send us some clips once he's filled it up and painted it, because he does live, you know, probably about an hour or so away from me. But yeah, we'll have a look at this in another episode, as I am actually trying to convince him to let me do the rear end, the rear axle conversion to lower the van, because it's on leaf springs, so they need removing, needs the axle swapping over, and then weld back up again. So so we can lower that, because that's a huge gap on the back end there. So yeah, join me in the comments down below to convince him to modify his van. Yeah, so thank you for watching as well. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, ring the little bell, make sure you get notified every time I upload. Give it a thumbs up, it always helps with a video, so I'd appreciate that. And if I don't see you in the comments, I'll see you in the next episode. Take care, stay safe, and God bless. Happy days.